What is the frequency of peri-implantitis with dental implants in someone who previously had periodontal disease?
So the question is, what is the frequency of peri-implantitis with dental implant in someone who had previous periodontal disease? So what peri-implantitis, just to kind of keep it simple, peri-implantitis is the periodontal disease or the gum disease around the implant. Just like the periodontal disease is the gum disease around the tooth, peri-implantitis is the gum disease around the implant. Just because you had gum disease around the tooth, which is a periodontal disease, that does not mean that if you are going to get an implant, you are going to get periodontal disease around the implant, which means the peri-implantitis around the implant. Again, the answer goes back to what we talked about earlier. It depends on how good you take care of the implant. If you had gum disease and because you had poor oral hygiene, now you got a dental implant and you're not taking care of the implant, can you have periodontal disease around the implant, gum disease around the implant? Answer is yes. However, if you had gum disease and you were able to get the gum disease cured and now you are in remission, you don't have gum disease anymore. Now if you are going to get the dental implant and if you are going to take care of the dental implant as good as you are taking care of the rest of the teeth with brushing, flossing and other oral hygiene practices and the professional dental care, then the chances are you could keep a dental implant as good as you can keep a tooth and possibly again for the rest of your life. And this is one of the common questions that I asked a lot in my office almost every single day. And people ask me, hey doc, how long can I keep the implant? The answer is you can keep the implant for the rest of your life, and I answer by saying as long as you take good care of it. So the answer is as long as you take good care of your dental implant, you are not going to get gum disease around the implant.